Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. Today I want to talk with you about the stock investment, about the investment in general, and of course the stock. I want to share with you the platform that I'm trading on, and this platform gives me the opportunity to make money online and from any place in the world. I just need to have internet connection, and that's it. And of course, like I registered long time ago, I got the registration for this platform. If you want to try, I left the link in the description of this video, so you can easily get to the platform right now, and I suggest you to do that because I want to show you like my portfolio. I have some companies, most of them are in the green zone, and that means that this company is giving me the profit right now. For example, a couple days ago I bought Volkswagen. You know, everybody knows this company, and this is well known, an old company that's stayed on the market like for centuries, I think. Yeah, and this company is giving the stocks. If you scroll out a little bit, you'll see that there was falling down, and now the company is growing. And I bought a couple days ago, I bought some stocks of this company. Right now it brought me like $600 or 65, almost 65% of profit. Of course, this is great movement, and this is absolutely okay to make $600 for a couple days. And I want you to try that. Of course, like you can say that, all right, I don't have some big amounts of money. You don't need to. You need to start with the small amounts. Of course, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. I'm saying that all the time because investment is a pretty risky thing. I'm talking about not the stock market only. Yeah, investment in general is pretty risky thing, but you can handle that for sure. You can start investing with $10. This platform allows you to give the minimum deposit. Minimum deposit is $10. So if like just think about it, $10. Everybody has $10 for sure. You can spend them off. You can like buy a couple coffees daily, or you can invest that money, and that money will work for you. And this is very important. On this platform, it's pretty simple and pretty easy to make decisions. There's a great tool right here, very interesting one, because all the traders that are on the platform right now making their buying or selling actions, and in this case you can show how they acting. So right here, all the traders, most part of them, 82%, thinking that price will grow, so you should press the buy button in this spot. 18% thinking that price will go down, and in that case you should press the sell button. Let's see what's happening with McDonald's stock, for example. I bought it also a couple days ago. This asset is unavailable right now, but we have the list right here in the stocks. You should go to the platform. Remind you that I've left the link just for you, and if you want to get a bonus and discount to get to the platform, you can do it via the link. Link is in the description panel. Go to the link, find it, go to the platform, pass the registration, confirm your email, and go to the platform. And right here in this list you find in the stocks, and here you go. Just look at that, BMW. I have some stocks of BMW company. Right now it's brought me 17%, and it's growing. Of course, I can close this position right now and get my $500. Let's do it. For example, close. Here you go, almost $500. And look what's happening. 80% of people, 80% of traders believe that the price will go up, and I do. So let's reopen this position and let's press the buy button. That's it. There's a small fee that platform is taking for all the actions that you're doing, and I'm gonna wait. So there's a couple ways to make money on the stock market. For example, first of all, you can be fast and you can trade daily. For example, you know that the company is growing, you see all those tools, you buy in the stocks, and after it gave you like a couple percent, you close in the position, getting the money back, and that's it, like daily. But there's another way, and I like another way. I like to trade on the long period of time. Why? Because daily you can like get small amount of percent. You can get small amount of money. So if you're gonna invest $100, for example, is about 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 maybe percents daily. But if you hold in the stocks for a long time, you can get much more higher profits. For example, like I bought this position right in this spot, and then the price went down, so I could close this position with a loss, but I'm waiting, and right now this position gave me 65% of profit. And all the traders thinking that the price will grow more, but I believe that 65% is pretty okay. So I will close this position. I'm getting my $626, and I will reopen this position with the buy button, and I'm gonna wait a couple days. I want to show you the Twitter also, but the Twitter is closed right now. This asset, I can't close this asset right now. Let's see the list. Rolls-Royce, guys, well-known company worldwide, and it's pretty amazing company and pretty amazing cars, isn't it? Let's like buy for $1,000, and we're gonna wait. So there's plenty companies that you can trade on, and when you're thinking about investment, you should invest in the companies that you believe in. Look at that: Continental, Unicredit, Vodafone Group. So there's a lot of industries that shown in this list, beauty companies, and you can like make money on all of them. What's happening right here? All right, let's buy some stocks for $1,000, for example, and we're gonna wait like a couple days. In the next videos, I'm gonna show you what's happening with all my portfolio right now. There's 204% of profit on all of my stocks that I have in my portfolio, and this is pretty great because if you're holding the stocks for a long time, for a year, for example, you can make more money with the dividends, because the company is sharing its profit in the long period. It's sharing its profit with the stakeholders, and you become a stakeholder of the company, and the whole company is working for you also. So this is pretty amazing, pretty great. Think about it and start investing right now. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, of course, this is the main point, but you need to try that. All the useful links under this video. Thanks for watching. Kindly asking you to subscribe my channel if you like my content. Thanks, and see you in the next videos. Bye.